Chelsea, 0-3 to start the conference.
Yes. It was really a heartbreak, no? But again, I was telling the players that we really just have to keep on fighting. A lot of work to do. Especially again, it's like putting a new system after the mga habits kasi ang hirap kasi na maibalik pa yung habits kasi masyado matagal yung habits na meron sila in the so we just keep on working, just telling the players just to trust the process. We might not win this conference, may mga ganung bagay yan, but again down the road we're gonna get our share of wins as long as we continue on working and stay positive about it. I want the players to stay positive all the time. We're really working hard in practice, no doubt. The thing is, syempre, we have to translate it in the game. Tong young team na to, we really a lot of things that we need. So I need to put it into this, not only physically but mentally also. So they have to learn how to play down the stretch. They have, this is a young team. So what do we expect? But what I like with this team is they work hard every day. They're willing to learn. They're willing to get better every day. They're listening. It's just that, syempre, minsan yung break din, hindi pasok sa amin diba? So, ganun talaga. But in the bottom line is we really have to focus on playing defense. We have to have that defensive mindset and the identity of us playing really good basketball because of our defense.
What's up with the import na naka-adjust na ba sa palagay mo?
Yes, naka-adjust na, but it's not about the import. Import is getting his share. He's probably we're playing good basketball because of our import. So what's happening to us is not all about import. That's what I'm telling my players. Import is not they're not the, what do you call that, the magic or the automatic win. Because of it's still the locals. They have to mag-share din sila ng doing the little things for the import. Hindi mo pwedeng asa na tayo sa. That's what I've learned. And playing alongside with a lot of good imports. It's not really all about import. Maybe down the stretch, to give us a chance to win the game. But overall in the game, it's not the import. So import is not the problem. Hey.